so I'm being quiet because it's very early in the morning, but we are checking out of our hotel and we are about to go into the airport to check in for our international flight, Singapore, and then from Singapore to London. Okay, so we've just spent some time in the Singapore Airlines lounge and we're now going down to our gate to, well, hopefully wait and get on the plane. So, yes, I didn't do much filming in the lounge because I wasn't sure whether I could. Thank you. There's got a nice Christmas tree in there, so yes, I've not done yesterday, so right, let's go. Okay, let's head to the gate. Okay, we're now at the gate and we're waiting to board our plane, which shouldn't be too far away. So we're flying premium economy, so I'll try and show you. Okay, we are going down to the plane. Okay, so we've made it to Singapore and we're going into the Jewel to have a look at the Jewel. Okay, so we're going here. So we're going towards the Jewel. And we've made it to the Jewel, which is a rather nice shopping centre, and the Jewel straight ahead, which is the big fountain, so we'll have a look at that in a minute too. Whoa. That's the Jewel. And a soccer ball because it's football season, World Cup. Wow, look at that. Well, we've come down to the ground level and we're going to have a look at the Jewel from here. Oh, look at the pandas. Woo! Oh, you could have a go. FIFA on the Xbox. That's what it is. So we've got the Jewel, we've also got FIFA on the Xbox. Well, I don't know if it's the Xbox, but here is the Jewel from the ground. Look at that. Wow. So looks like we've got FIFA football because Qatar Airways is the national airline, even though we're in Singapore, and we've got the FIFA game, and looks like England have scored against France, which is good. Hopefully that happens in real life on Sunday. No, Saturday night, sorry. There you go. Good old Sterling scored. Okay, we're going to head towards the Christmas tree. After playing some football on the big screen, and I think we might go downstairs and have a look at the Jewel from downstairs maybe. Wow, there's the Christmas tree. We'll have a look, Dad. So we might go downstairs and see the Jewel from downstairs maybe. So let's do that. Okay. Let's go downstairs and see if we can see a bit more. Okay, so this is the bottom of the Jewel. If I could go up here. See it all coming down. Wow. So this is Fair Price Finest, which I think is Singapore supermarket. So we get some Singapore Christmas decorations. Wow, for our Christmas tree. Not that we have one, but my parents will have one. But it's like any other supermarket, really. There you go. Okay, so this is the top of the jewel. Looking down, there you go. Right, we're going to do something else now. The Master Card Canopy Bridge, I think. So let's see what that's all about. So here we go. That's the Christmas tree from up the top. So, well, we couldn't film inside that mini attraction, and there wasn't much to it really. That's right, so we're going to try and see what else there is before we head back. So let's keep going and see what we can find. So Christmas trees or Christmas decorations up there, part of the Canopy Park. We're going down one level. See what we can find. Back down here. Lots of interesting shops. Let's have a look. So we're doing trolley racing here. Here we go, trolley racing. So we've got a virtual trolley here. I think you've got to click to as many trolleys as you can. No. Okay, so we've had a lot of fun here. We've been shopping, done a few experiences at the Jewel, and we're going to head back to the terminal so that we can go to the Singapore Airlines Lounge, grab some food, and then find my wife and everyone else, and then we'll slowly get ready for our very long 13-14 hour flight all the way to Manchester. Yes, so back to the airport.